How to add family members to USAA. Log in to your USAA online account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the My Profile or Account Settings section. Look for the option to manage family members or add a family member to your account. Click on the Add Family Member or something similar. Enter the required personal information of the family member you wish to add, including their name, date of birth, and relationship to you. Provide any additional information or documentation required, such as their social security number. Review the information entered for accuracy before proceeding. Confirm the addition of your family member by clicking on the appropriate button. Follow any further prompts or instructions to complete the process. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.